Hello friends, a very warm welcome to Ichche Aahar. Today I will show you how to make mutton kosha or kosha mangsho or Bengali spicy dry mutton curry. Kosha is a Bengali word which means dry or very thick gravy. That is, the gravy will be very thick or dry in consistency. It is a very spicy, delicious Bengali mutton curry. This is a very favorite dish of every Bengali household. It is very popular for its rich, awesome, aromatic, spicy taste. Mutton kosha is made in almost all special celebrations or occasions of Bengali people like marriage, birthday, Poila Boishakh or during the Bengali New Year celebrations, etc. If you like my today's video, then like it and share it with your friends and relatives, and subscribe my channel Ichche Aahar and click the bell icon to get quick updates of my recipe videos. Now friends, let's see what ingredients are required for making mutton kosha or kosha mangsho or Bengali spicy mutton curry. Ingredients: mutton with bone 500 gram marinated, bay leaves 2 pieces, whole dry red chilies 2 pieces, cinnamon sticks 4 pieces, green cardamom 4 pieces, cloves 7 pieces, onion 1 big finely sliced, tomato puree 3 tablespoons, beaten yogurt 2 tablespoons, green chilies 2 pieces slitted, sugar as per taste, salt as per taste, potato fried 2 pieces cut into halves, garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, mustard oil as per your requirement or the amount of oil you consume. Ingredients required for mutton marination: onion paste 2 tablespoons, garlic paste 1 tablespoon, ginger paste 1 tablespoon, beaten yogurt 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, cumin powder 1 tablespoon, coriander powder half tablespoon, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, mustard oil 1 tablespoon, garam masala powder half teaspoon. Now marinate the mutton pieces with these ingredients and keep it aside for at least 2 hours. You can also keep it in refrigerator overnight. The longer you keep it, the better it will be. Now let's see the procedure of making mutton kosha. First, heat some mustard oil in a karai. Now add whole dry red chilies, green cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon sticks and bay leaves to the karai for tempering and fry them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now add finely sliced onions and fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now add the marinated mutton pieces to the karai and stir and mix it nicely and fry for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now add tomato puree and beaten yogurt to the karai and stir and mix them nicely and cook for 10 minutes on a medium flame. After 10 minutes, now add green chilies to the karai and mix it and cook for 10 minutes. Here is one important point to remember. Please note that you have to continuously stir the mutton so that the spices do not stick to the karai, and if mutton becomes too dry, you can add little bit hot water to the karai. After 10 minutes, add little bit hot water to the karai and cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, shift all the half-cooked mutton and the potatoes from the karai to the pressure cooker so that the mutton becomes tender and juicy and gets perfectly cooked. For cooking the mutton on the pressure cooker, it takes 10 to 12 whistles, but take out the potatoes from the pressure cooker after 3 to 4 whistles because after 3 to 4 whistles, the potatoes gets fully cooked. After 4 whistles now, open the pressure cooker to check the potatoes whether they are perfectly boiled or not. Yes, as you can see, the potatoes are nicely cooked, so take them out in a bowl and keep them aside in a bowl and cover the lid of the pressure cooker and wait for 6 whistles of the pressure cooker. Now after 6 whistles, open the lid of the pressure cooker and check the mutton whether it has nicely cooked or not. Wow, our awesome splendid aroma is coming out of it. As you can see that the mutton has become tender and juicy. So now add sugar and salt to the pressure cooker and let it cook for 5 minutes until the gravy thickens. After 5 minutes now, add garam masala powder to the pressure cooker and stir and mix it nicely and cook for 1 minute on a low flame. After 1 minute, we can see that mutton kosha or kosha mangsho or spicy dry mutton curry is perfectly ready, with a wonderful and mind-blowing aroma and with a fantastic dark brown color. You can serve it with hot steamed rice, chapati or roti, paratha or luchi, but it goes best with mishti pulao. I personally like to have this mouth-watering very special mutton kosha only with basanti pulao. Try this special recipe at your home and serve it to your dear ones. I'm sure they will praise you a lot, and don't forget to give me the feedback. Thanks for watching my video. I'll again come with a new interesting recipe video. So bye for now. Take care and have a nice day.